Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and your family is also safe. So today I am going to do again, I will continue exercise 2.4 that from the chapter linear equation in one variable. In my previous video I did till question number 4. So in this video I am going to solve question number 5 and question number 6 of exercise 2.4. So please open page number 31 of your NCERT book. The question says, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of its mother's present age. What are their present ages? So they are asking about the present ages. So first of all, we will take let Shobo's present age be x. And what they are saying, mother is presently, his mother is 6 times of his age. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. And Shobo's mother's present age be 6x, because we have taken Shobo's age to be x, so mother's age will become 6x. Now they are saying after 5 years from now will Shobo's age will be 1/3 of its mother age. So if you see after 5 years what will happen, if Shobo's present age is x, suppose if your present age is 12, then after 5 years what will be your age? 12 plus 5, that is 17. So Shobo's age will be after 5 years, Shobo's age will be x plus 5. 5 will be added to x. Now according to question, they are saying that whatever will be his age after 5 years is 1/3 of its mother's present age. So present age is 6x. This is the question. Now 3 1s are, 3 2s are, x plus 5 is equals to 2x. So this x will go that side, 2x minus x. So 5 is equals to x, or x is equals to 5. You can write. Therefore, Shobo's present age is how much? 5 years. And Shobo's mother's present age will be what we have taken? 6x. Mother's present age will be how much? 6 into 5, that is 30 years. I hope you all have understood this question. Kindly note down this in your copy. Then we will move to question number 6. Now question number 6 says, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuvali village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate ₹100 per meter, it will cost the village Panjai for ₹75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Means you have to find the length and the breadth of the plot, and already it is given in the form of ratio, and whenever there is a ratio, you will take it with a variable. So question number 6, what will you take? Let the length be how much it is? 11x, and breadth be 4x because ratio was 11:4. So I have taken like this. Let the length be 11x and breadth be 4x. Then cost is given. Total cost is 75,000 and cost per meter is 100. So how will you find out the perimeter of the fence? Perimeter of the plot. Perimeter of plot will be total cost upon cost of 1 meter. So total cost is given how much? Rupees 75,000. And cost of 1 meter is given how much? Rupees 100. This if you will cancel, you will get 750 meter. I hope you all have understood that perimeter of the plot, how will you calculate total cost upon cost of 1 meter. So 750 meter is the perimeter of the plot. Now you all know that perimeter, what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equals to 2L plus B. Since perimeter of the plot is equals to 2L plus B. This is the formula for the perimeter. So perimeter is how much? 750 and L is how much you have taken in this case? 11x and B you have taken 4x. Now solve this. 750 is equals to 2, 11x plus 4x will become 15x. 2 into 15x will become 30x. So this will be 750 is equals to 30x. So x will be 750 upon 30. When you will cancel this, this will become 25 meter I was writing. So x is equals to 25. So length you have taken 11x, therefore you can find out the length. Length is equals to 11x, which means 11 into, what is the value for x? 25, which means how much? 275 meter. And breadth is equals to, breadth you have taken 4x, so 4 into 25, that is 100 meter. I hope you all have understood. There should be no confusion, and if you are having any confusion, kindly ask me in WhatsApp, and till then, have a nice day. In my next video, I will solve rest of the questions of this exercise. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video and share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe it also. Thank you.